अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ज्योमेट्रिक ऑप्शन ऑप्टिक्स के बारे में, ज्योमेट्रिकल ऑप्टिक्स के बारे में। तो यहाँ पे कुछ ब्रीफली बताया गया कि इस मतलब के चैप्टर को पढ़ने के बाद स्टूडेंट क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकता है। ठीक है, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा आज का चैप्टर। तो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल स्टार्ट करते हैं हम यहाँ से 12.1 जो इसका है रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। तो रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट इज़ illustrative in figure when a ray of light from air along with the path AO falls into a plane mirror M. It is reflected along with the path OB. The ray OA is called incident ray, and while the ray OB is called reflected ray. At the angle between the incident ray OAO and normal NI एंड इसे क्रॉस करें हुए। सेकंड नंबर पर बात करते हैं हम आगे द इमेज ऑफ लोकेशन बाय स्फेरिकल एंड मिरर जो है हमारा स्फेरिकल। और इसके बाद जहाँ पे हमें उन्होंने हाउ वी कैन टेल अबाउट द नेचर ऑफ इमेज वेदर इट इज़ रियल एंड और we tell about the size of the image compared with the size of object. To answer these questions, one method is graphical or the ray diagram, but we can also answer these questions by using a mathematical formula called the mirror formula. Defined as mirror formula is a relationship between the object distance, raw image distance of data from the mirror and the focal length of the mirror, and thus we can write mirror formula as 1 over f is equal to 1 over p and 1 over q, and quality is equal to object distance of real object virtual object। एंड उसके बाद आ जाती है बात रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। इफ़ वी डिप इन वन एंड ऑफ पेंसिल और सम अदर ऑब्जेक्ट इनटू वाटर at an angle of the surface, the submerged part looks bent as shown. It is distance is the image is because reflection we can explain with this formula, and at the glass interaction the ray of the light IO change in directions, and the speed of light in medium. Reflection of light is caused by the different speed of light is a different media from. For example, the speed of light in the air is approximately 3 × 10⁸, and speed of light in vacuum is, however, when light travels through a medium such as water, glass, its speed is decreased, and the end is predictive index. The predictive index of a medium is the ratio of speed c of light in a vacuum to speed v of light in the medium, and refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum, speed of light in medium, n is equal to c over v, and total internal reflection. And यहाँ पे for example for a particular value of angle of an incident, the angle of reflection becomes the 9 degree. The angle of incident that causes the reflected ray and reflected ray in the rarer medium or to bend through the 90 theta is called and air, glass, incident ray, reflected ray, and this is example. And refraction through prism. And prism is a transparent body made of with the at last two published plane faces inclined toward each other, from which light is refracted. In case of a triangle prism, the emergent ray is not parallel to the incident ray. It is deviated by the prism from its original path. The incident ray PE makes an angle of incident at I at the P and reflected. And the lens terminology, principal axis, each of the two subjects, and each subject and length is a section of a sphere. The lines facing through the two centers of a curve. Curvatures of the lines length is called principal axis. A point on the principal axis at some of a lens is called optical center. Focal length. This is the length between the optical center and the prism principal focus, and this length may call from this.